Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been revising calculus through problems. I have completed 34 questions. Now I am taking question number 35. Question is, if fx is a real valued function such that fx greater than 0 and f dash x is continuous for all real x and satisfies the relation ax f dash x greater than equal to 2 root fx minus twice a fx. A belongs to R positive and x is not equal to 0. Let g of x equal to x divided by root of f of 1 plus root fx. Then find the minimum value of gx in closed interval 1 to infinity. So pause this video and try this question. Let's begin. So this question is also based on the monotonicity. So here we get this relation, and this relation is given ax f dash x is greater than equal to 2 root fx minus twice a fx. So here we will establish compact derivative form. Compact derivative form. So for this we have to divide by 2 root fx. So we get ax f dash x whole divided by 2 root f of x greater than equal to 1 minus a root f of x, and this is ax f dash x whole divided by 2 root fx plus a root fx minus 1 greater than equal to 0. So this is the derivative of, this is called as d upon dx of x root fx. So we have to write d upon dx of x root fx. So we have to take ax. Clear? And 1 is the derivative of x. So we have to get d upon dx of ax root of fx minus x greater than equal to 0. And let us say that this function is hx. So here we get d upon dx of hx greater than equal to 0. So we get h of x is monotonically increasing function in closed interval 1 to infinity. That is, if x is greater than equal to 1, so h of x is also greater than equal to h of 1. So now we have to write h of x greater than equal to h of 1. So this will give you h of x, and h of x is ax root of fx minus x, and this is greater than equal to 1 a root f of 1 minus 1. So here we get ax root fx is greater than equal to a root of f of 1 plus x minus 1. Now this is true for x greater than equal to 1. So we know that x minus 1 greater than equal to 0. So this inequality holds for x minus 1, and if you put the minimum value of x minus 1, so this will also hold. So here we get ax root of fx greater than equal to a root f of 1, and a is not equal to 0. So a is positive, so we have to divide by positive quantity. So it becomes f of x root fx is greater than equal to root of f of 1 whole divided by x. And now here we we add x divided by root of f of 1. So this will be x divided by root of f of 1, and this is called as gx. So we get g of x is greater than equal to root of f of 1 divided by x plus x divided by root of f of 1, and this is also greater than equal to 2. So we get g of x greater than equal to 2. So the minimum value of gx is 2. So pause this video and try this question.